Welcome back everybody, HairObsess Jay C here. So my husband purchased these hair oils for me. They're not organic, so I decided that I'm going to make a hair oil on a budget. So the peppermint and the tea tree oil here and the one from the botanicals, these oils are not organic oils. They are infused with other oils. As you can see here at the ingredients, they are all infused with different bunch of oils: soybean oil, castor oil, fragrance, all sorts of different oils. So I decided that instead of not using them, just to put all of them together and make a hair oil. They're fairly cheap. They were $5 EC each, and the botanicals was about $12 and some change here locally. So I also have some other oils that are not organic, and there's the carrot oil and the grapeseed oil. But I do have the argan oil, which is certified organic, and I definitely have this extra virgin olive oil, which I will be adding to the olive oil botanicals to make it a little bit more stronger for hair growth. So as everybody knows, you're going to need an applicator bottle, the one with the ounces on it, and I will be throwing about 1.5 ounces of each oil to help me with this mixture. Now, these oils are supposed to stimulate growth, they're supposed to condition the scalp, and they are supposed to help with whatever issues you might have on your scalp as well. So this is why I'm mixing all of these oils together. Now the botanical oil smells super nice, so when I mixed all together, it had a really nice scent to it. It's very light oil for the hair. So what I'm going to do is detangle my hair, and then I'm going to just apply it to the scalp. I already have a video as on to the reason why I don't apply hair oils to the length of my hair. You guys can check that out in the cards above. So what I do is just apply to my scalp like that. I don't squeeze too much to have it running down my face and the back of my head. So I just massage it into my scalp just like this. And I'm going to do that just for 1 minute. I'm not going to go over the minute because I don't have time to sit there and massage my scalp for 5 minutes to get the blood flowing. I hope this video was useful, guys. If it was, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I do the exact same thing for my daughter's hair. I go through each scalp every time I braid her hair, and I just run my fingers through her hair just like so. I don't get it to the length of the hair. I just add it to the scalp to condition her scalp, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everybody.